चलो स्टार्ट हो गया। Hello guys, hi.
Yeah, hi, good evening, guys.
Good evening. So yesterday basically we took two trades. You can say one was SL in front of you guys only. So one more trade what we took, it was our target basically, and Deepanshu also updated it you
Exactly.
afterwards. So today we will be seeing what's going on in the gold. See, and we marked, like, remember, right? We marked that see, gold will be going like 5,500.
Even
So
faster.
yes, today morning we like
Yeah,
already
so
saw.
yesterday evening it was here, guys, and
Yeah,
see, in the morning we opened 5,600.
600. I was like, what's going on really?
Exactly. So
So now it's like keep on targets are keep
since,
on rallying. You see,
yeah,
four
since
days,
5,000,
four
it
days,
went 5,600, 12% return
crazy
in
rally.
2-3 days only.
Yeah,
Here it break the 5,000 first time, historical
it's the
level.
same thing we were
This is
telling.
26, 27, 28, and 29 morning itself,
Yeah,
5,600. So not even 4 days.
exactly. So we were telling this stuff, no? So after like 5,000 breakout, the selling pressure will not be there. Buying pressure will be more.
Exactly.
Okay, in the silver also you see 20% return. Silver after 100 level, it rallied to 120, 20%, and gold has given 12% returns. So this is what happens. So like that's completely fine. Again, we will be targeting for the next high, like it's like 6,000. So let's see when the 6,000 will be coming into the picture. Next, we will be marking 6,000, and we'll see when is the next 6,000. And in silver, basically it's 150. Okay. So when will be silver going to 150? It's now they are not a big deal, guys. The pace of this market, it's completely fine. Okay. The pace is very, very strong and really, really good. 150 what we are expecting. Let's mark and we'll try to
Yeah.
keep it.
So again, we can mark the date and time.
Let's try to see. Okay, done. So 150 what it is. And gold, I told you now, like it's like next is 6,000 level. What we're expecting. This is not a big deal now.
Yeah.
So market is rallying in a crazy, crazy manner.
You see,
You
like
can see.
when it crossed the 5,000 level, we were discussing that it will not give a correction. It will go up only. Why? Because if you see the
Yeah,
psychology in the commodity sector is completely different. If
yeah,
you compare with the stock market, what happens whenever stocks makes new high, they are like go for a small retracement or correction rally. But here everything is opposite. See why these assets goes up, like why gold, silver goes up. Basically, they are indicating the fear. The more the fear in the this thing geopolitical or in the global finance sector, what will happen? These assets will start going up. They will start giving a rally. So if you look at here, 5,000, it gave up touch here at 26 January. And now today's 29 January and it's already 12% up. So what happens now? It's a psychological pressure for the global investor or big investors, funds. So what they are doing is that now they are trying to go long into the gold or silver. So again, when these institutions will enter, what will happen? They will buy in bulk quantities, which will push the price upside very fast. So for the last 4 days, same thing is happening. If you see a daily time frame also, if I remove everything, see this. So in daily time frame, see after crossing the 5,000 mark, the way it is going up. See this, guys, almost 12% return. So now gold must be a $40 trillion asset. So the economy of the US is somewhere around 35. So the gold is now around $40 trillion. So gold has overtaken the overall US economy. So now gold is the most valuable asset in the world. Same if you look at the silver also, what we were discussing that once it is breaking the mark of 100, it will not go for correction. It will go to higher side even faster. So see in 3 days what happened? 20% return again. So 20% you don't even get in stocks in every you can say you don't get the in stocks 20% return in a year. But the commodity sector has given you in 4 days only. So try to understand that what's happening at the global scale, that these commodities are running like hell. They are giving you gold is giving you 12% return, silver is giving you 20% return. So try to understand these cycles. Why? Because everyone has seen this kind of thing first time in their life.
correct.
This is monthly chart. You see here. If you go back also, you will not find this kind of structure. Last time it was here in 2008. After that, a cool off period of 15 years. And after that, see the momentum here from 32, it went 120 4 times. This was, if you see, May 2025, April 2025. So after that, it's been almost 9 months. In 9 months, silver has become 4x. So understand these things. Still, if a lot of people are asking us, like, should they invest in silver now? Should they invest in gold now? What we will suggest to them is that don't go all of your position in a single time. What you can do is that you can do at a kind of 20% investment in one time. Now, what we need is that now we just need small corrections. Why? Because even if the market is going like this, commodity is going like this, a little correction is always healthy. Every time when market was making, you see here 2 3 red candles, which was fine. So every time it was making a red candle in the live itself, we were telling you guys that go long, it's a good time, it's a good correction. And now you see, so again, if you're trying to invest now for the new thing, what happens? Don't go invest all of 100% of your capital in a single time. Whether go 20%,
That's true.
15%, 25%.
Yeah, that's definitely true, whatever he was telling. So, guys, we need basically little bit like pullbacks that will be a good averaging for you also if you're already investing. So, if somebody is asking me, a lot of people will be asking me, should I be invest in gold or silver or not? Yeah, you can invest. There is
Yeah,
no issues about
exactly.
it.
Every day we are getting a lot of messages
Yeah.
from the clients, from our Instagram, YouTube, every day.
Exactly. So you can invest. There is no worries about it. But what I tell is like, see, uh, invest in a different levels. Okay.
Exactly.
If market see is like if you are putting 10 lakh rupees now, if you want to invest 10 lakh rupees, yeah, go ahead and invest. But the thing is like you should know at which levels you guys are taking. So now if you invested now, what if tomorrow gold profit book move was 20%? Are you willing to like stay that 20% correction? Is it okay to you? That matters a lot, correct? So then what happens if you're okay with it, go ahead and invest. There is no issues about it. Okay, if you're not okay, if a single 2 3 5% also matters to you, then think about it. Okay, sit back and think about it and then only understand it. Okay.
Yeah, so let's check our CryptX platform, guys. So let's plan any trade in gold. So 6:30 US market will also open. So let's see. So just now, if you see here, we posted one trade also in our communities. So somewhere here we were planning for go short. Here what happened? We were expecting our entry as 38.
Yeah.
Sudden crash came, no entry. After that, we cancelled our order, and you see again started going up. And if you see what gold is doing today is that if you mark the high and low of the gold, see what is the momentum gold is giving. What is the swing here? 100 points of swing gold is giving.
It's a very big number,
So
guys.
100 points of swing gold is giving. So this is not normal.
Where you will keep your stop loss and where you will
Exactly.
keep your
So
targets up. So
100 points mean 2% it is going up or down. Gold in a single day.
hmm.
From bottom, if you see again 75 points up. So again, this is not a healthy. Too much volatility, too much an expectation, uncertainty in the global market. That is why this kind of momentum is coming. Maybe what's happening after this much of rally, now some short covering, this thing, profit booking can come. Some now fear is also coming among the investors that gold and silver has given this much of rally. Maybe they can go for a correction, but no one knows what is going to happen next. So
Yeah.
same thing we are trying to tell you is that don't go invest all of your money at a single time. Invest 15% one time, 20% one time. If you have missed this much of rally now only you can do regret. Nothing else you can do. To be honest, now only regret will be there. Because now after this much of rally, don't expect that now gold is 120 from 30. So don't think that it will go to 120 to 400 in 6 months. This will not going to happen. Maybe it can give you another 15-20% return, but now again, what is the correction you are expecting? So that is why every 5%, 10% you can go long.
Are you okay to sit with that
Exactly.
correction?
So 15,
That
20%
matters
you
a
can
lot.
keep investing every dip. Every 2, 3%, 5% it is coming, invest some 15%, some 15%.
Yeah.
For long term, then you can leave it. But don't expect the,
SIPs, and if
yeah,
you're doing something like that is completely fine.
yeah, so
Okay.
don't expect the same returns like 40 to 120 it went in 6 months. So again, it will go to 120 to next 300 in next 6 months.
Not like that.
It will not be like that.
If it happens, it's very good, but it will
Exactly.
not happen. Okay, that is what I was expecting. So we'll see if it's again start consolidating like this, then again it may be a good opportunity to buy for
Yeah.
you also.
So Narendra is asking when to exit then. See, why are you asking for exit? Ride the trend.
Yeah, as much as possible, you try to keep
Exactly.
on.
See,
See,
this thing now you
book the.
can't exit, find entry and exit because these are not stocks. There are no quarterly results, there are no profit earning, no management, nothing is there. It's completely demand, supply, global uncertainties. So what will happen if you see the gold since the historical returns, it will be much better, 12%, 13%. And one more thing is that gold is something physical.
Yeah,
If you see, look at the cryptos and the stocks, what will happen is that if anything wrong happens, these will go down, but gold will go up.
correct.
If anything uncertain happen, gold will go faster. Otherwise, it is going up only. So this is a double benefit for us. Understand? So try to understand this thing. These assets you should not find for exit. Try to hold for longer period.
As much as, see, if you're not comfortable, what you can do is like, I will suggest you is like, you try to reduce your quantity exposure, you try
Exactly.
to reduce. So try to book profits and try to reduce little bit quantity, and then you can try to hold on. See what happens when you have like like good amount of quantity to you adjust your mind, you will hold as much as possible. If you are like having lot of quantities, then you will not manage it properly. So every day you'll start seeing your portfolio, should I exit or should I hold it?
Exactly.
So you try to keep a decent amount of quantity,
Yeah,
like
or you
just
can
book that.
diversify also. You can put in debt
Yeah.
funds,
Now, whatever
mutual
the profit,
funds.
I suggest this only now. So everybody feels that okay, equity market is looking not so good, right? I feel it is looking good only. That's completely fine. You can invest, but if you're not looking good, then you can go ahead and invest your profits in debt markets. Liquid means you buy it and you keep it,
Exactly.
and immediately you can sell and immediately you can buy gold
Government
and
bonds
silver
you can
again.
buy, corporate bonds you can
Yeah,
buy. They will give you fixed percentage of return.
yeah, debentures you can buy.
Exactly. So
That also,
10% government, private bonds, corporate bonds can give you.
that
So
also you
these
can.
things you can do. And someone Sachi Bhat is asking, can you share how the charges fees are
Yeah,
calculated?
definitely.
Yeah. So Sachi Bhat, if you see charges for the CryptX is one of the lowest in the industry.
Yeah, and I will tell you how exactly it works. Okay, see, basically now, if you see, there is a taker and a maker fees basically.
Exactly. You see
Okay.
here, this is a charge section, guys.
Hmm.
You guys can either take a screenshot or either you can open the CryptX account and then you can see in the CryptX account itself
Yeah, exactly.
what
So
are
I
the
was
charge
talking about
fees.
that. You see, taker fee and maker fee. This is
Yeah,
very important. So what is this maker fee and taker fee? See, maker is like if Deepanshu is keeping a limit order basically at this price, that means he is making liquidity over there. Okay,
yeah,
but what I will do, I will come here and I will take in a market order. So
exactly.
I'm a taker fee here. So whenever I'm taking, the charges will be more here
Hmm.
because I'm taking out the liquidity out of the market. No, so Deepanshu is making liquidity from that means he's a maker here. So
Exactly.
just as the charges will be there.
Yeah, so taker fees you can say, no, like if someone is putting a order and that order is executing instantly, so that person is completely taking the liquidities. So that is taker fees.
And one more thing is like, see, guys, these all charges will be there on the exposure,
Exactly. On the
whatever
exposure.
exposure. We are not hiding something out of you here. Okay, why? Because every day you need to trade. So whatever exposure, if you take more exposure, more charges will be there. If you take less exposure, less charges will be there. That's completely how it is.
So this was the fee structure, guys. Okay. So just try to
See that one, take a screenshot or something
exactly.
like that. So it will be helping for you.
Once you start doing trading now, then you will understand.
Easily you will
Yeah,
understand.
because see, a lot of people are trading in gold. They are not comfortable with Indian market because leverage issue or whatever the issue it is. So they're trading in gold. For that, what they are doing is that they're going towards pro firms.
Yeah.
You can do the pro firm also, but you can also try out our Cryptex platform. Here, many things
Perform
are
also
there.
is there, like levels also
Exactly.
you
So
can go there also.
40x leverage you will be getting. Plus,
Yeah.
good thing is that everything is, you can say if you are putting your own money, you can withdraw in your bank account.
Yeah.
So if you are doing with prop accounts now, that is the issue. Because now what happens is that, like everyone knows that Forex is the illegal thing.
Yeah.
But here you are trading crypto in gold. So no one is allowing gold. As of now, no other platform in India allows you to trade in gold in their
Mm.
platform. We are allowing you. So all these benefits will be there for you. Everything you can do, like it's a complete forex platform kind of thing here, but you can trade in gold. And good thing is that it is open on Saturday, Sundays also.
Yeah.
So
Saturday,
Saturday, Sunday also you can trade if you want.
that is also
Liquidity
there.
will be as comparatively to weekdays will be lesser, but still momentum will be there.
Will be there.
Momentum will be there.
Well,
So if you see it, weekend will be like 20,
it's not
25th.
like that. If you want, you can trade in like crypto also. Correct.
Exactly.
BTC also is there. So that's completely fine. There also you can trick
You
trades.
see, guys, I'll show you. This is 25th was the Sunday. This is 20th. See the momentum in gold. 24,
Decent
20
amount of
Saturday, Sunday. You see momentum and liquidity, everything is there. Direction is there. See, it's not like that there will be no momentum at all. Market will be consolidation. See the proper price action and proper direction.
yeah.
So if you are a
Levels you
good
can try to.
trader, let's say you are a office going person, you don't have time, so you can trade before or after office also, plus on weekends also.
Yeah.
So all these things are available for you guys.
So let's see the trades. Any trades we are getting here, guys? Yep. Let's open the chart.
Narendra is asking, like, I heard there is a geopolitical war on silver with China versus US, where China is holding major silver and US trying to overthrow the demand. Is that true? Please advise.
Yeah. See, I will explain you what exactly is happening. Okay, Narendra. So basically, you see, China is the biggest exporter of silver. Basically, okay, he's the biggest exporter of silver. So that what happened? They are trying to control this stuff. Okay, so when like if you are not ready to export your material, then what happens automatically? A huge tension it will be created. Okay, and everybody want like the everybody know that manufacturing is increasing. So now what
Exactly.
happens? And I will give you an example. So out of my 10 funds, what happens here? Basically, one is now going for EV car, okay, EV bikes. So
So,
things are
solar
literally changing.
platforms,
You say the demand is literally,
semiconductor.
yeah,
So guys, you know, like in semiconductor also, there are some small components of gold and silver.
yeah,
So the demand for AI is booming. What will happen? Chip demand will increase.
yeah,
So the demand for this gold, silver
silver,
will also
copper,
increase.
these all are basically increasing.
Exactly.
So demand is also increasing, and one more external thing, whatever you told, that US,
Exactly.
that is also there. Okay, they are trying to control that. Okay, that is the major issue. Because of that, this stuff is all happening. That is it.
Yeah.
So now what happens?
So Chiva is asking, so on Discord regarding algo, can you share some details? Can we create our own algo, use trading view webhook? So Sachin,
Yeah,
I'll do one thing. I'll share you the number.
yeah,
You
you
just
can
give me a
contact the
text on
same.
that. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. So that you can, we will help you out to create or how
Exactly.
you.
You can do everything. You can hook also. Plus, we have our own algos also. So that also you
Also, I
can do.
observed in the PXG, it will be released from the Saturday onwards. Come to previous Friday, closing on the Saturday night, Monday morning.
So you can contact on this number, guys. If you have any doubt regarding CryptX, just give a text on this number.
I'm not understanding what you're trying to say.
Yeah. So you are saying that like from Friday, Saturday it will start rising, and Friday, Monday it will come down
Mm-hmm.
because what's happening till Friday the gold is closed
Mm.
but crypto gold is open.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
Saturday Sunday momentum what it is
correct.
there, it will do the mean reversal or the it will try to come to the same level.
That's true.
Whatever you are
That's
saying it is right. So
true.
you can trade, it's a good thing for you. So
Yeah.
if you are able to
If you're
find out a
getting a
pattern.
momentum, that's very good
Exactly.
for you. Patterns you're getting, that's
Exactly.
completely
So
fine. More than enough.
if you are like office going person, you don't have time on the weekdays, so weekends you can try it out. So all these things you can try it out, guys. So that is why what we are trying to say is that try out the platform. You will love the platform. Charges, everything is
In
minimal.
front of you only, the charges
Yeah,
also the market, like it's a more than less than the market standards also. So which will be very good for you.
yeah.
So let's see trades
If
what
any
will.
trade we are getting, we'll try to go with it. So let's wait for 5-10 minutes when the US market will open. Then we
6 minutes.
will see. We can mark some demand zones, supply
See,
zones.
already is there.
So guys, if you see here, this 5,500 level is a very key important level. Every time when market is trying to tap this level from the top, it is going up.
Silver is also getting major supplies selling.
Yeah. So we will wait for some time. Let the US market open. Some momentum, let it come at 640. If we are getting some trade, some structure, then we will try to plan a trade. Otherwise, as of now, wait.
That is a good thing. And one more thing is like, see, 630 or like 5,550, the level where it is now currently. If you saw any rejection from this level here, also you can pick to again like 80 levels with a keeping a stop loss of like 10 to 12 points. That also we can do. But let us wait and try to see what's really happening in the New York session also, how it is reacting, and then we can understand and we can take a trade.
Yeah. BTC also we can check.
Open price solid here 47.
There, no? 430.
There it is.
Mm. So it is here. It is here. 430, somewhere here.
This
So
one.
yeah, so BTC also we can check what BTC is doing.
The BTC, that it is like yesterday we were telling it's a supply zone. There only it rejected and it started coming down.
Yeah. So guys, anyone holding any trade here in CryptX, gold regarding gold or BTC?
You can update over there, guys.
Yeah,
We
you
can
can update, you can share so that everyone will get some information, understanding or insight.
just a minute. We'll try to see this stuff here.
So Madras is asking like when will we get silver trading in CryptX like PXG? So silver as of now we are going ahead with gold only. Why? Because gold is one of the you can say highest trading asset. So everyone, most of the people try to love everyone love trading in gold. So as of now, we are going ahead with the gold only. In future, if we are getting a lot of demands for the silver also, so silver also we can introduce. Understand? Silver also we can introduce, guys. As of now, we are going ahead with the gold only. So first you can try it out the gold, how it works. Like, is it comfortable for you? Are you able to make money out of it or not? In future, if the demand is rising, we are getting a lot of queries from the people, then we can look forward to introduce silver on our platform as well. So as of now, only gold you can trade for commodities.
Yeah, BTC I was showing you here. Huge supply, what we were expecting, 100%.
Yeah, Narendra, there is referral benefit. You will get 10% discount on the brokerage. So again, it will be a good thing for you.
Yeah, yeah, that is the thing, guys.
So guys, we'll share the referral. Okay, it will be you will get almost 10% discount on brokerage. So which is a good thing for you. If you are a trader who would like to trade every day, so you can save a good amount of money. So this is BTC, guys. Again, BTC, what it is doing.
BTC is basic bearish only. The daytime frame perspective also it is looking very much bearish. We were shorting at this level. It came down till here again, retrospect, but it is still going there only. It is trying to stay here only. So here this was a demand area. Today also it was bounced back
So
from
guys, you
here.
see, we shared a referral link. You can open your CryptX account. You will get 10% discount on the brokerage. So overall, it will be much better for you.
You can
So you
definitely
can
benefit
try
from
out.
there also. This was the
Plus, also, if you are referring to someone else and they are opening and trading, so you will get 20% also.
yeah.
So again, which will be a good thing. So you can also tell your friends to start trading and you can share your referral. So you'll get 20%.
We have like 15 seconds. Let's see what happens. Any news today? 29. Yeah, it's done. FOMC's statement was there
It
at
was well.
1 o'clock. Unemployment claims is there. 7 o'clock. It will
Yeah,
impact a little bit. It will be impacted.
yeah, will be there. So guys, we have one news now.
Yeah, US session has been opened now. Let's see.
So someone is asking about BTC head and shoulder. Head and shoulder.
Here we are seeing a head and shoulder pattern.
Here, let's check in lower time frames. Okay, this pattern you are saying.
Yeah, here also it is there.
See, if you are referring with this, we can go with this. But if you are saying about this thing, it is not a proper head and shoulder.
If
The
it should
Yeah,
at least come to this level
shoulder
again.
is much lesser as of now.
Yeah, so it should come basically to
Here it
this
was
one.
a good head and shoulder. If you
Mm.
see a small shoulder ahead, again a small shoulder, and then a very good
Yeah,
rally.
neckline and
If you see
breakdown.
the two candles only,
88,000 was a neckline.
exactly. So this was a head and shoulder. This we can't say that as a head and shoulder. For that we need a proper good shoulder. Then only we will consider it as a head and shoulder.
Yeah,
In trading view, it is marked. Let's check. This thing you are saying the same thing. What we need is a proper head and shoulder. See, like this we need.
yeah. So at least gold should go back to its 88,900 level, so that
BTC.
will be good for us.
Yeah.
So new action has opened. Let's see gold what it
Yeah.
is trying to
So
do.
market US session is open, guys. So US session has opened. Let's see. Guys, anyone to carry trade here? You can share it in the chat, na? Chat box. Any query you have regarding CryptX, you can ask. So let's wait for some proper price action, then we can try to go with a trade. Okay.
PTC also will try to see any trades we are getting here. This you can tap like double bottom is there here. The support level, the interest of this level. There it is there. This is good man. The stop loss is very big.
Mm. So just momentum is very small.
And like
Opening
stop losses
candle.
are very, very big.
Yes, because momentum is very fast in this. Overall day, if you see, the gold is giving almost 50, 60 points of rally in a single direction. So in this, what happens? You will not be able to get a trade with a, you can say, reasonable small stop loss. You have to go with a bigger small stop loss, bigger stop loss, and then if stop loss is big, target will also be big.
Which may not
Again, which will take time.
because already 2.2% is what is already
Exactly.
gold has given now.
You see this
So
single rally here from yesterday night is around 300 points.
correct.
So 6% in only a few hours. 7 to 8 hours, only
Market has
6%.
went crazy.
So if you see now, like specifically in the when the market,
FOMCC was there
yeah,
in
so
it.
like after 11 in the night till 10, 7 to 8 in the morning,
Yeah.
when the Indian market is closed, everything is closed, and it's about like late night, then rally is coming.
Yeah. The major rally was guys, you should like every time we see in the Forex factory, right? You see
Exactly.
the news was here. So 12:30 a.m. Fed rate cuts was there. Okay. So rate cut was not at all impacted. Okay, FMC statement was there, FMC press conference was there. So these are the like highly impact stuff. So automatically what happens? Huge news. See, source mentioned the target range of 3.6 Federal Reserve. This is what happened. So that is the main reason why gold like rallied like crazy.
Yeah. Mm. So if you see Indian market also, they are also going up for the last 2 3 days. But that is about to come on first Feb. First Feb is Sunday, but still, guys, markets are
Market
on.
will be
Okay,
open, yeah.
markets are still open on the first Feb due to budget. So trading will be like normal day. 9:15 it will open and 3:30 it will close.
It will close. The normal day only it
Yeah.
will be
So
there.
but volatility will be there. Volatility will be
Definitely.
abnormal.
Yeah.
Volatility will be abnormal.
Definitely work.
This weeks you see it will shoot up.
Guys, try to reduce your quantity or exposure in the market
Exactly.
if you don't know. See, and that day, no support, no resistance,
Yeah. No
nothing will all.
conviction will work.
Nothing will work. Oh, you thought that okay, now the market went 500 points, it will come down. No, it may go next 200 point more also.
Exactly.
So try not to do your smartness use. Okay, you just try to use like risk reward and strategy
Yeah. So
management so that
and
you can survive for a
don't
day.
think like that you can buy any OTMs, call option, put option that you can easily make money.
Yeah,
It
exactly.
will not be that easy because
Exactly.
OTM also will be expensive
Yeah,
because of VIX will shoot up. So OTMs will be expensive. You will not get cheap OTMs. So because 400 to 500 points of range it will create, definitely 2% Nifty will create. So don't think that easily it will give you money.
and so please don't set Sensex and Bank Nifty.
Exactly.
Please
So
be for like very far from the Sensex
and
and Bank
yeah,
X,
so
Bank Nifty.
suggest is advice is that reduce the lot size as low, like less as you can take. You can
Otherwise,
increase the target point capture
yeah,
because don't think that if you are trading 7 to 8 trades, taking 7 to 8 trades in a day, normal days, that on budget day you will be able to take the same level of trades, same number of trades. Try to capture 1:4, 1:5 big. If you are, let's say, you took 3 trades, 2 trades you lost, even one trade, even it goes your favor, you can still become profitable. Understand? So don't take big lots, reduce quantity size. You have to increase stop loss points, and stop loss should be in the system, not in mind.
definitely. That
It
is true,
will
guys.
take, go up and down, it will move.
Always try to understand this stuff, guys. This is very
Exactly.
important. Never ever try to keep stop loss in your mind. You don't think that okay, gold if it comes here, I will exit when you're sorting. No, it will
Exactly.
not directly come here. It will jump. Then you'll think that okay,
Yeah, like
next one more
this
trade.
candle you see.
Yeah, yeah,
In this candle, how many people do you think got liquidated here?
yeah.
After that, it went down.
So always try to keep your stop losses.
So
Okay,
stop loss should be in system.
take one more trade. That's completely fine. But try to
Exactly.
keep stop loss. Okay, stop loss is not. It is in a habit.
Yeah, it will
Okay,
be a habit. Let's say your
Otherwise,
stop loss got hit here. So do one thing again, go for whatever your view, but take the stop loss.
yeah,
At least you will have a habit, you will have a discipline of taking the stop loss.
exactly correct.
The moment your stop loss got hit, enter the same trade with lower levels.
Exactly. So if you're not keeping a stop loss, and then what happens automatically, you will not exit. You'll start hoping that way.
Exactly.
If it is falling this much also, no, then you'll start hoping that it at least will come. Again, when it this much it is going upside, again you'll add more quantity. This is what happens. Again, it will come downside. So don't hope. Okay, this is not a hope game.
Exactly.
So try to analyze and then try to understand. Okay, if you don't have that much accuracy, that's completely fine. We also don't focus on accuracy. We just focus on risk
Risk
reward.
reward ratio.
So you try to do the same stuff. Always focus on risk reward. So this will be very, very good for you. So there is no momentum at all in the market.
Yeah, so see, let's see the gold again. See, very small range, very small range. You see, consolidation. So you should also know, like when not to trade.
Yeah,
Wait for the levels. If the market is not giving you levels, then I don't take. So same thing happened yesterday with us. We took two trades. I think first trade directly stop
stop
loss.
loss. Yeah,
Second trade we took, we leave it, and it was a target. So we
yeah,
updated that also
yeah. This was a
everywhere.
trade here. You can see
Exactly.
it came almost near to a stop loss, but it didn't trigger.
Yeah. So we took the stop loss, like put the target
Stop
entry,
loss.
stop loss, everything.
Everything was there. So
Two
that
times, if you see, almost near to stop loss, but we are holding again. Then see, and after that, see the fall.
exactly.
So all these things will be there. If system, if you see the entry is here in system, stop loss is in system, target is in system, you
Then
need not to worry.
that's it. Just wait for it.
Exactly. Mark your levels. If you see this trade we took 1:1. Here you see what we capture almost 1:3.
We'll try to trail it, trail it, trail it
Exactly. So 1,000 rupees we lost and 3,000 we made.
like that. So that is what we need. So we just play risk reward. If your accuracy is also not good, that's completely
So if,
fine.
if with this kind of risk reward, if 50% also you are getting is much more than enough.
Correct. So you see this level, we took a first trade over here. It was stop loss over here only. And then see this demand, this
Yeah.
area was very demand. So whenever the price came here, bounce back, bounce back. Again came consolidated, again bounce back. Came down, bounce back. So that level, 5,300 level is a very important level. So as of now again, that which is the important level for us? Again 5,550. So if the price is coming to 5,550, we can plan a trade here because general comes
Exactly.
again tap it and again go upside. And now here we are not expecting 600.
Yeah.
Okay, next recent where the supply was there.
Yeah.
Okay, like 15, 20
Yeah.
points,
So
30
this
points.
kind of consolidation you see now here, what's happening? People are burning out.
Yeah,
Because after this, you see this 100 points rally, then again downside correction, then this correction, then again up 60, 70 points of recovery.
yeah,
So here what happened now again, a lot of people are trying to enter, whoever missed the rally. What's happening? New supply is coming. So this is a very important zone, guys. If you mark now, because in this market, when market gets in this type of highly volatile market, when it get consolidated like this, means lot of new entries and exits are happening.
yeah,
So we'll mark these levels and we will wait and see what's happening. If you're getting a proper breakdown now, it can again test these levels.
very
If a
easily.
breakout comes, it can again try to go with 5,600.
Yeah,
So don't expect big targets as of now. Why? Because lot of news is about to come. So a lot of news is about to come. So don't expect big targets like you can capture say 100, 200 points. You can do one thing. You can try to go with minimum quantity.
yeah.
Minimum
Always.
quantity.
First try to like keep hands on the setup and everything. Okay, and like news is also there. Like I told you, na, news perspective, man, no support, no resistance, nothing will work. No
Exactly.
levels will work. Okay, so that means you should just try to take as much as low risk.
See, one more thing about news is that I'll tell you one thing. See, whenever you are trying to trade news now, mark the previous swing highs and swing lows.
Yeah.
Whenever you see the breakdown or breakout, take the reversal trade.
Okay.
Let's say this is the previous swing high, a news came here. Market broke the previous swing high, swing low, take the reversal trade. Target will be the again the last swing high.
Right.
See, you know why? Because the probability of swing breakout and breakdown is only 30, 34%, 35%. 1 is to 3. So let's say if three trades you are taking, one will go to stop loss, other two will definitely give you target.
That is
So
more
this is a practical thing, guys. Whenever you see news, let's say on budget day, what you can do is that go on Nifty hourly time frame, mark the major previous swing high, swing lows. Whenever you see the breakout or breakdown, what you can do, take a 50 points of stop loss in the premium. I'm saying 50 points in premium. So which will be around 100 points in spot ATM if you are buying.
correct.
What will happen if market reverses? It will go minimum 200 points. So again, 1 is to 2 you will capture.
Yeah.
So on these days you can do like this. So mark your previous swing highs, previous swing lows. Whenever you see a breakout or breakdown, take reversal trade.
Correct. That also we can do.
So
So
you see
market
the
is also
breakdown.
like a tick down, and the level is 5050 now. Let's see what happens.
Let's see if we can enter anywhere here somewhere. 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay. See, the structure is not looking good. It's not convincing because rally is there, s- supply is there on the top side. So anything it can do. Don't get tempted. Na, like seeing this much of big red candle, don't get tempted. Wait. If you see this kind of red candle and then see the recovery, see here the fall and then recovery. If you see this fall, recovery, see this big side and then fall. So don't get tempted after seeing big candles. Gold is not like that. Whenever it is falling, it will definitely come back to the same levels.
Yeah,
It
that
fell down here, came to the same level. Fell down, came to the same level.
see that means what happens basically demand is very high. So at whatever the price is coming, they're trying to pick it up as much as
Exactly.
possible. So 5500 itself is a very good amount, and like 5050 itself is also very good amount of number. So
Yeah.
let's see what happens here if we are
So
getting.
Madras buddy is asking 0.25% or 0.5% stop loss should be good, right? See, it's not about percentage. It's about what is the your overall capital, and based on that capital, what is the loss you are willing to take in
So
that trade.
now you are asking about like 0.25%
Percentage
or
is not
point.
going
It's
to work.
like in a funded account you can do this all stuff.
Exactly.
But here it is real capital, no? So that means like what money you want to capture, like that all depends here.
Yeah. So if let's say you're trading in funded accounts, so there you are getting 50K account. You can't go with this thing 0.25%.
Exactly.
It is too less. Let's say you're trading with your own money.
Yeah.
Then maybe you can go with this thing. There also you can go with the like let's say you're trading with 10 lakhs your own money. So what you can do is that you can define either like this, like I will go with 0.25% of risk, or either you can say like I'm going with 20,000 rupees of risk in each trade, whatever it is. So it's not about percentage, it's about what is the capital, and on that capital, what is the loss you are willing to take in a single trade.
Exactly.
And one more thing is that like it's not about just one trade. Na. Think like this. Let's say you got five back-to-back stop loss. Can you take the sixth trade with the same strategy, same stop loss, same
Yeah.
percentage of risk reward? So that is the real thing. Understand?
Gold is correcting in a very fast manner.
Yeah. So gold is correcting again, but we will not enter, guys. It is not looking good. Don't please avoid as of now. As of now,
8500.
avoid.
Here it is.
Anyhow, we are planning trade every day. So as of now, avoid, please.
So if after sometimes if we are taking it, definitely we will try to update it
Exactly.
in our community and also. So 5000.
So community also we will update. This thing CryptX, YouTube also we will update. Instagram we will update. Everywhere we will update. As of now, don't do anything. Gold is a 24-hour commodity, so you will get unlimited opportunities. Is anything else you want to ask? And one more thing is that we share that referral in the chat box.
Yeah, you can
You
open an
can open
account
your
also
account,
using that referral, guys.
and
So
number also
definitely,
we have shared.
you
If you
what
have
all
any doubt,
things you will get basically, you will get 10 percentage discount in your broker. If you again open and if you start sharing that on 20% you will also get on
exactly
account.
20% referral you will also get.
So let's close this live today here only. And
Yeah,
like 7 o'clock again, Dhanush will be starting live in the LiveX platform. There also you can try to join and you can take to collect
exactly.
information there also. So if you are planning a small trade, 50-50, like 50 level, 55-50 level. So with the smaller stop loss, you can approach a trade here also with a 10-point stop loss and target again back to this level. That also you can do.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Then
Okay, guys. So we'll
thank you so
meet
much.
tomorrow. Okay, we will
Okay.
again keep coming with interesting things. Okay.